this video I will slap the side trims on and change the front wheel to see how the fitment is there. But everybody who already dealt with things like this know it's not so easy, so let me show you. So usually what happens, you misplace this or it just they break off, and yeah, then you got to deal with something like this. And yeah, silicone everything on it. Underneath there are clips like this, and yeah, as you can see, this is broken off. So for that I have a special solution, but yeah, we'll see how this will fit, and then yeah, let's go from there. Yeah, I test fitted the side skirts and welded two nuts together. I don't know if the camera can focus. This will be the mounting point underneath of the side skirts, because yeah, as I already showed you before, the original is junk. So that's my solution. Now we see how this will fit. So mounting points are welded on. As you can see, you have now two options: connected with the zip ties or with the bolt. Actually, what's my solution? We will see. So what I need to do is protect this area and then slowly mount the side skirt on. So let's see the result. Yeah, and that's the finished product. Just follow the line. Oops. Yeah, as you can see, this section and this section was mounted and it looks much better. Also the wheels will probably be like this, we will see. Yeah, give a thumbs up if you like this one and see you in the next video. There you have it. Bye.